lot F215 is a 1988 Jeep Grand Wagoneer with a 360 cubic inch V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and air conditioning. And it sold for $20,900 on Friday, June 5th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 151,210 miles. And the highlights are highly original condition, 360 cubic inch V8 engine, or 5.9 liter, new OEM carburetor, Torque Flight 727 3-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, power steering, power brakes, dark gray exterior with wood grain trim, maroon interior, functional air conditioning with new compressor and hoses, and a new battery. And this one was just a normal vehicle, just with 151,000 miles, but somebody kept it in nice shape. Still looked good. It was pretty much a survivor. I didn't say anything about any paintwork being done to it or anything, so I'm going to guess it was a survivor because they say highly original condition. So you get yourself a survivor for $20,900. Gives you something to drive to the beach or to the woods or to camping or wherever you want to drive her. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.